Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to get started with making money with Deepseek. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you're going to go ahead and want to open up the official Deepseek website right here, deepseek.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where as you can see, we can get started with using Deepseek by clicking the Start Now button. We can get application and the API platform in the upper right corner to get started with setting it up on our computer and so on. But first, I'm going to go and be showing you how to get started with contacting Deepseek, using it for answering your questions, and how you can use that for making money. So basically, by clicking the Start Now button right here, it's going to open up this chat option where first you're going to go ahead and have the option to register for an account if you do not already have an account. If you have an account, you can just go and log in normally, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this homepage. And this is where you can get started guys. Anything you want to know, anything you need to know, anything you need to explain, anything you can possibly think of is going to be available right here just by asking the Deepseek model. So anything you can think of guys, such as give me the steps in setting up a lemonade business. Let's say we want to make money by selling lemonade, guys. You can ask Deepseek how to do it, what the steps are, how you can go ahead and set it up for yourself. As you can see, guys, here is now going to go ahead and give us the steps, what we need to do, from research and planning to creating a business and plan and so on. So any kind of way you can even ask it, give me some interesting ways to make money, then they can explain even more in deeper detail. Basically, you can use Deepseek for anything you can possibly imagine to help you out with making money. So go ahead and check it out for yourself. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.